Hello everyone. I have prepared this dictation of 500 words at the speed of 90 words per minute. If you guys practice this thoroughly and sincerely, then the required speed of 80 words per minute for Rajasthan District Code exam will definitely seem very easy to write. Practice this passage multiple times to gain perfection. All the best.
Petitioner is lugged and locked in FIR number 123/2016 of Police Station Ratangarh, District Churu for the offences punishable under sections 323 and 120B of the Indian Penal Code. He has filed this application for restoration of liberty under section 439 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. Full stop. I may briefly refer to the relevant aspects of the case of prosecution as emerging from the FIR allegations, which are that on 24 February 2016, the 2.5-year-old Sunita, daughter of the complainant Ram Lakhan, went missing and could not be found despite searching. Full stop. Upon watching the CCTV footage from a temple situated near the house, it was discovered that Rekha picked up Sunita, held her in her lap and threw her into the water tank of her house, putting a lid on it to prevent the child from screaming. Full stop. Stanza. In this way, she killed an innocent girl. Full stop. Rekha, who is 21 years old, is the daughter of the complainant's real uncle and was having an affair with a boy. Full stop. Sri Rajendra Singh, Learned Counsel, representing the petitioner, vehemently urged that principal accused is Rekha and she is the one who is charged with offense of murder. Full stop. The petitioner is innocent person and a false case has been foisted against him. That entire allegations so leveled by the police against the petitioner is totally false and baseless, that nothing has been recovered from possession of the petitioner, that there is no concrete evidence to show direct nexus between the petitioner and alleged crime. Rather, case of the prosecution is based on surmises and conjectures instead of sound legal evidence. Full stop. Therefore, considering the facts and circumstances, the petitioner may be released on bail. Full stop. From the other side, learned public prosecutor for the state has strongly objected the submissions made by learned counsel for the applicant. Full stop. Stanza. It was further argued that there is overwhelming evidence adduced on record which would prima facie point towards the guilt of the applicant, that keeping in view the gravity of offences alleged to have been committed by him, he does not deserve any leniency. Rather, he needs to be dealt with severely. Full stop. He thus prayed that in the facts of the present case, it is expedient that accused be kept in the custody. Full stop. I have given my thoughtful consideration to the arguments advanced by learned counsel for the parties and have perused the record carefully. Full stop. Having given anxious consideration to the rival submissions and having examined the record with reference to the law applicable, I am clearly of the view that deceased Sunita, aged about 30 months, was daughter of complainant Ram Lakhan. Full stop. 1. Rekha and petitioner had love and affair relationship which was not liked by the complainant Ram Lakhan as he was uncle of Rekha. Full stop. Both petitioner and Rekha considered Ram Lakhan an obstacle to their love affair. Full stop. To take revenge on Ram Lakhan and to teach him a lesson, Rekha committed murder of Sunita in furtherance of conspiracy hatched by both of them. Full stop.